I don't know why I couldn't pick my sound. Are you guys excited for today's stream? And we're back on stream, New York station live. For some reason the mic was off, but we're good. Good afternoon, Mr. Nas. Hope you're good, man. How are you doing today? The consistency, yeah, man. We have to keep it like that all the time. We have to always keep it like that. You see, when you learned how to trade the right way, it's inevitable. You always be consistent. You always be consistent. You're gonna make some wins here and there, and you know, long term become profitable, right? So we're gonna have PPI coming up first and foremost. Let's look at that. I don't trade PPI most of the time, but I know it has an effect on the dollar, right? It does have an effect as well on other assets, right? So let's try and look at that. Let's look at that. How many guys traded CPI yesterday? Did you guys trade CPI yesterday? Did you lose some money? Did you blow your account? Yeah, if you did, man, you're not part of the community, because you know what happened yesterday is that I gave out a solid trade in form of a breakdown to not only the Signal platform, right, which is this trade here. So I sent out this trade at 1 p.m. yesterday, which was you can see I'm saying we're holding this trade throughout CPI news today. Ensure your risk is in check at all times. So we held this trade from 1 p.m. News was out around 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. All right, but before then, we actually sent out a breakdown to the free community, right? Because we have a free community. I hope you guys are part of it. If you're not, hit me up. You could join it, right? So we sent out a breakdown yesterday, which is this free community here. Let me show you guys the breakdown that we sent out. It was yesterday, I know. Yeah, let's look for it. Where is it? Oh, it's somewhere here. There we go. This was a breakdown, and gold played out perfectly. We went out, we took out, I think, about like, maybe that should have been 100 and something points, 150 points with that spike on CPI, which is good, which was incredible, man. It was really incredible, right? And I sent out the same breakdown to everybody else yesterday. And if you were part of us, you obviously were going to get this firsthand, but then you choose not to be. So I don't know how you're going to get it, but if you want to join, hit me up and we could add you, right? Yeah, but we have PPI in the next maybe like 25 minutes. And then what makes it very special is that we also have Trump speaking today, and at the same time today, when PPI is going to be happening, we have unemployment claims. All right, so I'm thinking there's going to be a huge effect. There's going to be a huge move maybe on gold. All right, but currently we have positions on gold, right? Ask me what we're doing. We've actually been buying. I sent out the same trade to everybody else earlier. All right, yeah, I did send out the same trade to the community. People are making money right now as we speak. People are making money. You wish you were part of this. You do wish you were part of this. Let me show you people making money right now. Look at this guy. This guy is making money from the same trade. Look at that. I'm up like 1,000, close half of that, and I'm good. So let's see if maybe PPI could push markets to the upside. Who knows? Maybe PPI could push markets upside. 20 pounds to 110 pounds. That's nice. That's so lovely, man. That's so lovely. You look so comfortable today. What? Don't I look comfortable every other day? Don't I look comfortable? Simplicity is a new profitability. Of course, man. You already know. All the time we keep things very simple. All the time we keep things very simple. What's your expectation for PPI? I don't know. I don't trade PPI. We'll see what's going to happen. If it does play in our favor, maybe we could smash out a few TPs on this gold trade. If it doesn't, maybe we could smash a stop loss. Okay, maybe we could smash a stop loss. Why isn't there an in-person today? Because we chose not to. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. We were supposed to have one today, yes, but we just couldn't have one. Not for any other reason, but we had a few things we're doing. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. If you want to join that, maybe tomorrow. We're going to do a session in person, maybe tomorrow. Friday should be a good one. Yeah, it should be good. CPI made me at $130. Nice. That's beautiful, man. How did you catch it? I killed it. Nice. Hope you're good too. Yeah, man, I'm good. Can't complain. You know what today is? Today is Valentine's Eve. Do you guys know what Valentine's Eve is? Yeah, it's today. Some of you guys are in trouble now. Yeah, I'm just playing you. I'm playing with you. Someone says, can we look at NASDAQ? No, we're not gonna look at NASDAQ yet. We'll look at gold because we have positions right now. Yeah, I'm in buys right now on gold. I've been in buys for the past. I took buys here, so it should be now about like 3.5 hours. Yes, 3.5 hours. I've been on buys on this one. And let me explain why I took this trade, right? So I took this trade entirely because gold has been very bullish, right? And then we broke off this area of interest, which I saw earlier, right? And for that mere fact that we had an impulse move across this level, right? And then I think price did obviously retrace. It retraced to this level, which is like the 50 level here in this case, and I took an entry right there. Yeah, and I'm hoping that maybe price can get here, smash that TP, and then maybe overall price can go to this level. Yeah, if that can happen, will be good. That would be very good to see. That'll be very good to see. That'll be very good. So price currently is like obviously rejecting this level, maybe for every reason. I don't know. Yeah, but looks like this candle right now is rejecting. Came back to an entry. Yeah. But we're up like, I think, how many points is this? This should have been like 70 points. The overall trade plan is like 250 points. Yeah, if you want to join it, man. Don't be scared. Have some balls. Don't be scared. Someone says, I want to come to your office someday. Yeah, come through. Come through someday. I forgot it's Valentine's Eve. Yeah, it is. You're in trouble, Michael. You're in some huge trouble right now. Fibs, yes, fibs. Correct, it's fibs right there. So it's fibs. Stretch it from here to somewhere up there. Then caught a retracement there, and price went up. Could it still go up? We'll see. Maybe PPI or unemployment claims will show us that. All right? Maybe they'll show us that. I wish I could join your signals. Yeah, keep wishing. But Sunday we're gonna open a window open, so you can join on Sunday. All right? You can join on Sunday. Did you watch Mr. Lemma? Don't call him Mr. Lemma. Don't call him Mr. I watched his Super Bowl performance, but don't call him Mr. Please don't call him Mr. For every reason, don't call him Mr. I watched that. I watched it just like you did. I also watched it. But don't call that guy Mr. man. Don't call him Mr. Nobody cares about that guy. Nobody cares about that guy. But did you guys see what the Bank of Zambia did? Did you guys see what the Bank of Zambia did? Did you guys see what's happening in Zambia right now? If you're not Zambian, man, you just leave the chat. Just leave the chat right now. We don't need you to listen to this. But check this is total embarrassment. If you're not Zambian, this is total embarrassment. All right. But look at what the hell these guys did. I don't understand why they're introducing new knots. I don't understand why they're doing this. Why are they trying to do this? Okay, and these knots look so turbo. To me, they look so turbo, to be honest with you. Like they're saying it's new knots, it's good quality, it's whatever, but they look so turbo. They look I think the bird was okay than the giraffes now. And what are these? Are these impalas? Yeah, I think the bird was okay on its own, but now we have all these animals on the knots. I don't understand. And I had some people really fight me when I posted something the other day. Let me show you what I posted, guys. I'm on Facebook also. If you wanna connect there, you could find me as I'm called what am I called, man? Mr. Nest. Yeah, you find it there. But then if you scroll down here, I did a post, right? I'll sometimes post about it and what, right? Because for me, seeing the Bank of Zambia announce this new knots thing and whatever the thing is, I could tell that, look, this does not take any rocket science, but the kwacha is set for devaluation. Trust me, the kwacha is set for that. And we have inflation that's coming. People are arguing. Go check on this post. People are arguing. And I saw a guy argue. But trust me, you come back to the stream someday. All right? Can we please trade PPI? Don't worry about that, man. Relax. PPI is not happening right now. PPI is not happening. Do you know what it means when you actually announce that there will be new knots for a particular country or economy, whatever the case is, right? When a government prints new money, right, it increases the overall money supply in an economy, right? Which in return, in addition, if that additional money is not matching up with the increase in production, which is the overall GDP, or per se, I could say, the overall production of goods and services. Do you know what that means? That normally causes inflation. And what they did right here, I know somebody might be arguing like, hey man, look, they're not saying they just wanna print new money. They're saying that they're gonna introduce a new knot and what. Well, do you know what that also means? They introduced new other knots, right, which we didn't have before, like 500. Is it 500 kwacha? Is it? Yeah, they introduced that. Now, do you know what that means? That they're going to be printing more new knots, more money supply in an economy, which could lead to an increase in inflation. Anyway, let me respond to my brother here. Is calling me for some reason. You guys know who this guy is? This guy's a legend. Go follow him up on Instagram. Here guys, I'm here just having a call, right? Oh, this guy's phone is going off. Imagine. I prioritized him on stream and his phone just goes off. What the hell is that? You're a Drake fan. Who told you? I'm anticipating some buys above 29.22. Nice. Yeah, I think there's like a range. There's like a range somewhere here. Yeah, clearly there's like a range somewhere here. Maybe if price was to break the range, then we could erupt. But maybe if price was to do that. What's his name? His name is Victor. Go check him out. His name is Victor. The only Victor who I follow. We need to buy government bonds. Do you think it's only downhill from here? I can't say right now, but maybe in the next, because the effects is not really going to be right now. Maybe in the next 6 months, then you start seeing the effects. Do you guys even know what Zambia's GDP looks like currently from last year and the other year? Do you guys know? Let me show you that. This is Zambia's overall GDP marking or tracking, whatever they call, whatever you might call it, right? This is agriculture, construction, manufacturing, mining, public administration, services, transportation, whatever, everything in one, all right? But if you were to check, right, 2021 was one of the worst years for Zambia's GDP. We stood at 22 billion US dollars in overall GDP for that year. The worst, of course, in between was like 2020. It's been the worst since like maybe 2012. Right, like, yeah, I think 2012 and all that. I follow up on this stuff, of course, just to understand how the economy is doing here too, right? 2020, we had 18 billion US dollars as overall GDP. Do you know what happened last year? Last year we had, which is like 2024, last year we had 28 million. They're projecting a 29 million increase, which is like a billion, 29 billion increase, which is like a billion increase in overall GDP for this year. That's their projection, right? But look at, if you were to compare, right, from the time this government has gotten into power, the last time GDP was starting at 29, right? It means that there hasn't been any growth from that time till now, all right? So them trying to introduce new notes does not really make sense, right? The amount of money you're trying to put in circulation does not match with the production that's there at stake. Oh man, this guy is calling me again. Doesn't match. Yeah, doesn't match. So I don't know what they're trying to do right now. I have no idea. So guys, making some important calls at the same time talking to you. Imagine you drop 500 patches. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's really crazy. And somebody posted on a post, I think that was like Facebook or something. Was it the same BOZ page? Right? I think somebody commented something like that in relation to that. What was it? Let me check. Imagine the guys with the boots. What's gonna happen? Imagine giving a 500 kwacha to a bus conductor. Man, that's crazy. That's really crazy, man. And these guys don't care about all of us. They totally don't care about all of us. They haven't learned from the situation in Zimbabwe or even Malawi. Have you guys seen the situation in Nigeria? Of course, Nigeria is not like the worst, but have you seen the situation there? How many notes you need to buy bread? That's some stupid stuff that's happening in Zambia right now, man. If you are supporting this, I don't know what kind of sense you see in it, but these top guys and whatever they're doing is just, terrible right now. To be very honest with you, it's just terrible. Why Forex, not futures or options? Well, because I just choose Forex, man. I find it more stable. Futures is good too. Options is not stable. Options, I started off with options first. I remember options is like kandeke. You know kandeke, right? The thing we fly on the baiting sites. That's what options is. What do you call it, right? Aviator. Yeah, it's aviator thing. So it's kind of like that. Not entirely, but hope you get it. Or Instagram stories have Drake songs on them. Yeah, so that doesn't mean I'm a fan of Drake. This is why this Forex thing has got to work. Things aren't better. The country is getting worse. Yeah, it has to work for you. But you know the only way it's gonna work is if you remain consistent, right? If you remain consistent. If you're gonna pop up one day and feel bad because you lost money for that day and be like, yeah, I'm never gonna trade again, it's never gonna work out. If someday you're gonna pop up and maybe make 2 wins and get excited, and the next day you're gonna get excited again, and then maybe the 4th day you lose and you're this thing's not meant for me, you're never gonna make it in trading. Trust me, right? You need to adopt this consistent mindset, right? Personally, for me, I treasure consistency around everything. I show up everywhere, I show up at everything, I make sure that things are done the way they need to be done. No excuse. Same thing with your trading. If you can lessen the excuses that you keep making on your education, right? On you getting the right information. If you can lessen those excuses, because most of you guys have a bunch of those excuses as to why you're not learning more, why you're not really actually acquiring information and knowledge, right? Because I'm busy, my work, well, that stuff is not going to put you in a better position trading wise. Trust me, you're never going to be a good trader, right? So if you can be consistent at learning, consistent at trading, consistent at repeatedly doing the same things over and over again, and giving maybe a few things time that they need, well, you could be a good trader, and trading is going to work for you, and you won't have to actually worry about Zambia's economy right now and what BOZ is trying to do to all of us. Stand for president. No, I don't have the qualities, man. All I could be saying here is bullshit for some presidents and for these guys who are in higher. I don't understand how the economy works. Trust me, I don't understand. Someone says things ain't better in this country. Well, they're just getting worse. What opportunities could this new roll out of the banknotes potentially bring for us retail investors? Well, I don't see any opportunities as of now, to be very honest with you. I don't really see any as of now. The only thing I'm saying is right now. Okay, but let's see, maybe time is going to give us that chance, because I think what the guy thinks is that, hey, look, because we're failing to save this side of the economy, we're failing to save this, that, we're failing to do this and that. Maybe if we print new money and give them new notes, it's going to help. Or it's not going to help. It's not going to help. But that's what the guy thinks. Let's see if he's going to achieve that. Anyway, gold is going down right now. My stop is really below here, but I was up like 1,000. I closed half of that. I always close something, especially if I'm trading, honestly, because where it went here, like 70 points is normally where I put my TP1. So I closed partial there. All right, so right now I'm just holding half of the trade and trying to see if a top price can move. I will give you guys a breakdown on NASDAQ after PPI, okay? Because I don't really see NASDAQ to move for PPI or unemployment claims. Maybe we're gonna see gold make a move. Maybe Coinmon is actual number. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe we're gonna move on gold, or maybe any other assets quoted with the dollar. Yeah, most cases we do for unemployment claims and PPI sometimes. So let's see if that's gonna happen. Is that an excellence chart with TradingView AP? Exactly, this is an excellence chart. Yes, I can't pronounce your name, man, but this is Jay. Yes, it is. Excellence is the only platform I trade on. The only platform where I have most of my money. Yeah, if I'm trading on Excellence most of the time. Not even half of the time, most of the time. So then don't ever ask me what broker is that. It's only Excellence that I'm trading on. If you guys wanna looking for a good broker, of course, like I mentioned, it's the platform I'm using. So if maybe you would try it out as well. Right? I think they have a very cool platform here that they put together. Similar to TradingView, is it? Very similar to TradingView. Yeah, so they brought all the features and kind of a little bit different. I like one feature about this platform is that you can play back candles for free. Unlike TradingView, you have to pay for that. Look at this. I'm playing back those candles. Look at how those candles just went off, and now I can play them forward. Right? It enables me to back test. Okay, like, okay, fine. If price broke here, went up, okay, fine, create an impulse move. Okay, fine. Now I understand that my impulse is this is the high and that's the low, and then maybe going forward price starts dropping, I'm just waiting for, you know, price to get to my fib, then price picks up, then I make an entry right there, and price goes up, I secure TP1, and then price now is back at the entry. Yeah, so you can play back your candles, right? With TradingView, I think you need to pay for this feature, but with Exness, as long as you have an account, you can access this very easy. Yeah, man, so very easy. When is the bootcamp? You've been talking about it for some time. Ooh, this guy is coming for us, man. Like, when is the bootcamp? Do you want me to give you dates? Do you want me to give you dates? Let me give you dates right now. Let me give you dates right now. Let me give you dates right now. So you don't come up for me. At least you have the dates in your head. 14th to 16th of March, we're gonna host our first bootcamp of this year. In-person bootcamp. Right here, no, not really in this private office, but right in our boardroom, in our meeting room. We're gonna have like 10 people come through, and we're gonna host our first 3-day in-person bootcamp. And you guys can come through. They banned me. Exness banned you? What the hell did you do, man? What did you do? Don't tell me they failed to pay your money, because I don't think they failed to pay it. But what the hell did you do? Exness wouldn't ban you. I don't know what you did, man. I don't know what you did. Do you enjoy trading synthetic indices? No, I don't enjoy, because I don't even trade them. I don't trade them. Would I recommend them? I don't know, man. I don't know. I used to trade them some time back. I don't anymore. I just don't. For every reason, I just don't. Do you think gold is gonna drop? I don't know. It's dropping right now. Do I think it's dropping? Yes, it's dropping. Okay. Imagine Derive smart money traders' faces after telling them there's no banks in synthetics. Yeah, they should be very puzzled, but I mean, they trade. Imagine their faces when you tell them that Derive is the only platform that provides those indices, that provides the pricings for them. That, you know, imagine telling them that. They'll fight you for every reason, but, you know, if there's any other platform that was providing and had access to the same liquidity, we would understand. But if it's the only platform providing that liquidity and has access to it, they can manipulate things. Okay, they could manipulate things. Do I say they manipulate? I didn't say that. But, you know, if you are the only persons providing something, oh, it's questionable, right? Yeah, I mean, it's questionable. But I mean, if you do it for some time, maybe, you know, yeah. So bootcamp is on 14th. Can I come? Now you just can't come. You have to pay some money, man. Right? You have to enroll for it. You have to register for it, and I'll let you know when registration opens. Maybe, I'm sure over this weekend it's gonna open. You guys can register and get a seat, whatever the case is. Losing 1,006 because of trading in the range. Oh, crazy. Why are you trading the range, Mr. Adrian? Why are you trading in the range? Why are you trading in the range? If you had an entry where we had it earlier here, I would understand, but did you take a buy up there? Don't do that. Don't do that. We don't trade like that. Okay? There you should have closed part of your gains as your first TP. You could have done that. Do I think gold is gonna go down? I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see. We're waiting for PPI in the next 4 minutes. 4 minutes from now. I like today's playlist. Oh, really? But I think it's so loud. Let me reduce it a little bit. I think it's so loud, man. Not so loud. Filthy loud. Let's reduce it like that. That should be good. That should be really good. But again, if you check, there's a level here that price really just created. All right. If you look at it from this, there's a level that price really created somewhere here. It's failure to break this level still, to me, would mean price is still bullish. All right. Yeah, this level here, this blue line I put up, that's the level I'm talking about, right? But yeah. How often would be the boot camps? Normally we do like 2 to 3 boot camps in a year. Yeah, 2 to 3 boot camps in a year. Maybe we do like 2 in person, and then we do like 1 online. Yeah, so we do 1 online based off people who can attend the physical ones, and then we do 1 in person. But of course, we have all other educational platforms that you guys can join. Like we have a free course right now, which some guy today, let me show you guys that. All right. Let me show you guys this. There's a guy, his name is Jared. Is it Jared? Let me see. This guy is making money from entirely just free beginner education. Entirely just that. He's been making money from that. Now I can't see him now. Where is he? Is his name Jared? What's his name? Oh, Gaylord. Okay, Gaylord. Look at this guy. This guy made 8,000 in withdrawals today. And you know what it tells me? It says, you know what? I've actually not even gained access to your paid course. It's only strictly your free education, your free course. You know, when I actually messaged you and I joined the free course in the free community and I've been following the things you've been teaching and I'm actually profitable now. Crazy, man. Wouldn't you also be amazed to hear that? I would be if I was you. I would be if I was you. I would be if I was you. Yeah, so it's good to see people making money from this. The things that we teach, man, it's good. Yeah, so it's good to see people make money from the things that we're teaching. It shows the power in the concept, right? So you're saying that we buy gold because of PPI? No, nobody said that. We're only holding buys because we are sticking to the plan. Have you seen FXLSG free signal platform? No, I haven't seen it, but I think the guys are doing something like that, which is good, which is really good. Are they profitable in the free ones? You guys tell me about it. Are they profitable? How are the trades so far? Maybe I can also join and get some free signals, you know. Yeah, maybe I can also join and get some free signals. Are they profitable? How many wins so far? Since it's limited to 10 people, how often do you host bootcamps? It's like I said, it's just maybe like 2 to 3 bootcamps in a year. So overall, we're taking like 20 to 30 students every year on bootcamp basis. Simply that. Because the bootcamps is like the cheaper version of acquiring my education, which is my main course, the cheaper version of doing that. Okay, you pay like 2,500 or 3,000 and you gain access to quality education. 3 days of learning in person, interacting with me. You also get assessments. During the bootcamp, you get assessed. Nobody does that. People will teach you things they don't want to see if you understood. But I assess you. I give you an exam. Yes, I give you an examination. Like, look, here's an assessment. Let's see if you're going to pass it. If you understood, let's see. Answer these questions. Let's see. Because a lot of you guys will be like, yeah, I understand, but you didn't understand shit. you didn't understand anything. So, oh man, look at that. Whoa, crazy. Did you see that move? That's a PPI effect. Yeah, it's a PPI effect, but candle doesn't look so good. The numbers out. The numbers out right now. Are they out? Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to analyze NASDAQ from here so you guys have an idea of what to do during the session, right? PPI 0.4. This is an increase. Yeah, similar to what happened on CPI yesterday. And then I'm so interested in seeing the unemployment claims numbers, right? Ooh, look at that filthy candle, man. It's going down. Crazy. But like I said, I closed half of my profits up there and I'm still holding anyway because I have my stop here. Normally what I do is I put a stop and I stick to it. I put TPs where they have to be and I stick to it. Maybe this candle can reject. Who knows? Maybe it's trying to really just, you know, find some support around 61.8. Maybe, who knows? It's just maybe anyway at this point. So let's see what's going to happen. But it's pushing down, man. It's pushing really down. But we'll look at NASDAQ as well very soon. We'll look at NASDAQ. Unemployment claims numbers. Why is okay? 213,000. That's way less. That's kind of a little bit positive for the dollar as of now. Not long term, as of now. But this is contradicting. Because this is also positive for the dollar because it's PPI positive and the core is, yeah, kind of like positive as well. This is also positive. Yeah, this is okay, that's GDP. But this points towards a strong dollar for now. I don't know how long this would last, but I don't think it's going to last that long. Okay? I don't think it's going to last that long. But yeah, let's see. Look at that. Looks like a very good move right there. Nothing big, like I told you. Nothing crazy. When is day 9? What do you mean by day 9? Of the free course? You gotta wait, man. You gotta wait. Have you even understood what is in day 1 to 8? People are profitable with that. Are you? Okay. There's people profitable already with that. There's a guy called Gilead. Today he withdrew 8,000. I've seen more guys withdraw crazy amounts, but this guy sent me like, hey, man, look, I'm profitable now. And he's telling me about wanting to pay for paid courses, like an in-person course. I like his mindset. Like, look, man, I made money, yes, but I want to increase my knowledge. I want to increase, you know, my base. Like, okay, fine. I want to really know that the things that you know, I've known them also to the fullness. So I like that. Like, okay, cool stuff. If you're ready for it, well, you tell me when you're ready. But yeah, it's profitable already. I think that's good. That's enough on its own. That's really enough. So can we look at USD JPY? Okay, look at that. Is XM Global a verified broker? What do you mean by verified broker? Do you know how you can know if a broker is good? Go to a platform called Trustpilot. It's not the only platform anyway. There are other platforms that you can check out if the platform has good reviews or not. So if you're gonna check out your XM, right? Do you see the kind of reviews they have? Okay, cool. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. 3.4 stars. All right. I tried to withdraw money. I tried to withdraw money on the 11th of Feb, but was told that the card had restrictions and can't accept payouts. They told me to call the bank, and the bank told me my card has no restrictions. So what's the issue? Looks like a person who's having issues with getting the money out. Okay, cool stuff. Full scam company. Ooh, I'm not the one who said that. Nah, I'm not the one who said that. I tried to withdraw money on the 7th. Ooh, look, everybody's having issues with withdrawals. I'm satisfied. Okay, people are satisfied too. Yes, it's one or two maybe. But look at the stars that they have. It shows that they have more bad kind of like reviews than good ones. It's the most scam company. Ooh. Okay. Let's look at Exness. Right? Let's look at Exness. Why should you then choose Exness? Look at those stars, man. Look at that. Look at all these good reviews. The withdrawal through crypto is easy and fast. I'm very much impressed with Exness platform. Look at this. Automatic withdrawal process and social trading. Look at that. Right. I'm not seeing any bad reviews. Of course, there would be one or two, but look at these reviews, man. Look at this. If I was you, if I'm getting into a shop and I hear people complain that, look, if you're gonna get into this shop and buy anything, it might not really be the best of quality. Maybe you go to a different shop. Well, if more people tell me that, because they went into that shop and I saw them go into it and they gave me that review. Personally, I'm telling you, I would rather go with recommendation. I'd rather go with reviews. I'd rather go with that because I know the power of experiencing something for yourself. And this is what you could see on these platforms. But at the end of the day, choose your poison, man. Choose your poison. Choose your poison. My poison would be Exness. That's my poison. So choose yours too. If you're going to choose XM, well, choose it. Can you also check out another broker that I know? No, go do that by your own time, on your own time. Patiently waiting. It's going to be coming. Hey, bro, remember me? No, man. Who are you? Mike English. Who are you, man? I'm trying to remember you, though. I since moved from CFDs to futures. I'm a prop trader on my funded futures now. Oh, nice. Nice, Mike. Nice. It's good to hear, man. It's good to hear. Amazing. Good news. I think I should also start trading futures soon. I'm waiting for some some courage. Okay, not like it's the best of assets. I'll just wait for some courage. I've been okay with my Forex, my CFDs, and yeah, I've been okay with that. But maybe someday I'll also trade futures, man. I'll join you and trade some futures. Let's look at NASDAQ right now. Gold is still in a rangy situation. Let's look at NASDAQ. All right. There's no water here, man. It's the thirsty zone. Can we get some water? Okay. NASDAQ is in an uptrend right now. Let's look at the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame suggests that we've been in a bullish run. Okay, we've been in a bullish run. Look at this candle from yesterday. It's got a huge ejection downside. I think NASDAQ is really bullish. I think so too. Right, I think it was retesting this level on the daily time frame, and I think today it's gonna fly. It's gonna fly maybe to maybe it's gonna fly to this level. 22 150 160. I think, yeah, I think it could fly to that level, right? But not today. Maybe it could fly today, like halfway that. Yeah, maybe 20,000. No, 21,000, 21,008, 21,009, maybe something like that. But again, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, they realize that we just did create support. And all of you guys who follow my trading style, you know what this means, right? we just did create support on the 4-hour time frame, which is strong support. Waiting for this candle to close would still be ideal. Maybe this candle is going to close in like maybe 2 hours or maybe an hour or something. I don't know. But waiting for this candle to close would also be ideal. Okay, because if you wait for that candle, the next candle would open and then open, create a low, right? And then you could enter on that low, and then boom, you're gonna see a move like that. All right, yeah, something like that. I think that would be very good to see. All right, let's look at 30 minutes time frame anyway. So we have a strong support on the 4-hour time frame, which is kind of like this level here. But on the 30 minutes time frame, we have a very interesting area here, which could be utilized for an impulse execution for buys. All right, if we were looking at this, we'll look at the 50 minutes time frame. Okay, 50 minutes looks crazy for stop, so I wouldn't enter this impulse. Yeah, this would miss me, because every time if I have to make an impulse execution when the candle still in motion, if I don't see where I put a stop on the 30, I'll go down to 15 and half that time frame, see if the recent candle has a low where I can actually put my stop. But in this case, I can't put my stop down here. That's going to be really crazy, because that's going to be like how many points? This is going to be like 100 points, man. That's crazy. I don't want to risk 100 points on NASDAQ full stop. No. So what I'll do here is then wait, okay? Because New York session opening bell is still a little bit, maybe like a 50 minutes away. All right, so we have this whole entire range. We've confirmed from the daily time frame that this is a bullish, this is a bullish market based off, the candle we stole. That's actually, rejecting a level and pushing up. We also confirmed from the 4-hour time frame that there was a time, okay, let's say it's the bearish candle. There was a time that price actually created a low, and then this candle broke the high and created support, which is the current candle on the 4-hour time frame. So this is like H4, okay, H4 setup, right? So based off the H4, we know it's bullish and there is a strong support. We could wait for a candle on the H4 to create a low and enter on the low, okay, using the 30 minutes time frame. You get it? Using the 30 minutes time frame, enter on the low in hope that price is going to move up. No, not really in hope. With confidence, based off knowledge that price is going to move up. There's no hope here. With confidence, knowing that we have education, that price is going to go to the upside. I broke this down for you, man. Where would you wait now? Wait for either a break here and a retest on the same level, okay? Because this could happen two ways. This candle is breaking, okay? Breaking that resistance, and the next one maybe can reject this level. As it's doing that, you can make an entry or wait for an entire break of this level for a smooth run to the upside. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah, check out the left side. There's nothing really here, so that'll be good. I think this is going to be my trade for the day, and I think I'm going to send a signal for this to the signal platform. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I also see that there is a retracement here. Yeah, kind of looks like that. If you put a fib across this level here to maybe up there, notice where price came to 50 level, and now it's pushing to negative 28.0. Yeah, or 27, whatever the case is. Yeah, let's see. No entry right now. No entry right now. I messaged you about taxes. I'm gonna respond, man. Oh, did I respond? Man, you see, the thing is, I have a team, right? I have a team that I'm working with, and I can't do everything. Okay, there comes a time when you have to, diversify. Like, okay, not really diversify, like share the workload, okay, with people, and make sure that, of course, things are still running. Okay, I can't respond to everybody. I can't stream. I can't do everything at once. All right, so I have people who also are assigned to do things like that. So sometimes, of course, I do respond whenever I can, but sometimes you're talking to my people, all right, and they're helping you with all facilitations and all of that, which is a good thing too. At least you're getting response, because they know what I would respond if it was me directly talking to everybody out there. All right, so maybe I might not really remember the taxes conversation, but yeah, I'll just pretend I do, which is good. Zambia is using monopoly money now. Exactly. Same setup I had on NASDAQ, waiting for price to break 21,800. Nice. We could wait for that too, man. What's going on with Trump? Now, Trump has something very important going on today. Nothing is wrong with Trump. He has something very important going on today. Let's look at gold. What's happening? Ooh, okay, that candle is Going back to the downside yet again. Trump has something very important going on. Okay, nothing much of an issue. Let me show you. Trump today is the big one. Okay, yeah, facts. Today is the big one. Reciprocal tariffs. Okay, which is something that Trump has been doing. All right. So now what happened is that during his campaign for presidential elections, Trump, I think in November 2024, right, he made it clear that he was intentionally trying to use tariffs, whatever you call it, to support the economy of the United States, all right, for obviously domestic, we could say domestic industries, all right, sort of like making sure that he's putting forth some sort of like barriers in trades, and all these things which could work for the economy or against the economy, all right, but most of it could actually work for this economy. So today is actually passing that, all right. Now, somebody might wonder if tariffs are actually good or not. Well, it depends, man. It depends in the nature in which you actually do them. I think so far for my follow-ups on this particular, tariffs issue and tariffs plan, I think it's going to favor the United States. So far, I think it's going to do that. Okay. Maybe in the meantime, it might not, especially when he does it today. All right. Maybe in the meantime, it might not, but long term, it's going to work for the United States. And I foresee a very strong dollar long term. Like long term, I foresee a very strong dollar. Okay, I really foresee that. That's what Trump is doing right now. If you didn't know, at least you know it from here. Let's get about 100 likes to this stream, then we continue for New York session. If we don't, we're going to end the stream right now. Let's go. Let's get 100 likes for this stream right now. Let's get 100 likes right now. If we can't get 100 likes, we're going to end the stream, man. We're going to end the stream. We're going to end the stream. Oh, man, look. These are the cartoons my son watches. Look at that. My son is a huge fan of trucks. Yeah, I don't know where he got that from. He loves trucks. He loves trucks. Okay, he loves cars, but trucks is on the top. You can buy him, those fancy toy Lamborghinis, whatever you call the ones that you control with the remote. He doesn't like any of that. Get him a truck. Like he has this big truck. Let me show you guys. He has this big truck, which he loves so much. He's a fan of trucks for whatever reason. I don't know. He loves trucks. And when you're driving with him, he will sport every truck. He will sport every truck. Yeah. I don't know why he loves trucks that way, but yeah. Let me show you guys. I think I have a picture here. Yeah, look at this. That's my son right there. This is his birthday photo shoot. And he's playing with his truck. He loves trucks. For whatever reason. I don't know. I don't know. Did I love trucks when I was growing up? No, man. I didn't. But he loves trucks. I like your shirt. Thanks, man. Thanks. Sometimes I pull out, all smart. Yeah, but there's sometimes I like to be casual a lot. Like I just like my plain black shirt and, my big jeans and just my, I just like that look. But sometimes I'll pull up like this, like, hey, smashed and whatever. I hate this look. I hate it. But when I pull up in this look, then something big is going on that day. Yeah, something big is going on that day. Someone says, meeting you last week was the best day of my life. Wow. I don't take that lightly, man. I don't take that lightly. I hope your life changes from that encounter. Long term, I hope your life gets better. I hope you experience everything good. I hope you experience everything good. I don't take that lightly. So I hope you experience everything good. Let's get 100 likes, then we continue here. All right? Let's get 100 likes. You guys are failing to get 100 likes? Are you being serious? We have only 55 likes. So how many minutes do we give this stream? 5 minutes. If they fail to get to 100 likes, then we end it. We end today's stream. Yeah, we're going to end today's stream. In 5 minutes, if we fail to get 100 likes, we end today's stream. Let's look at NASDAQ. What's happening here? Okay, still pushing up. There's a rejection up there. Awaiting New York session open. And pound yen, I noticed pound yen. Ooh, look at that. Pound yen is now back in a downtrend. I noticed here, because when price did create a resistance here, right, and then there was a range, some kind of like a range from this level. As soon as price broke that range, I noticed that, oh, maybe it's now back in a downtrend after that strong push to the upside. So perhaps maybe, right, what could also happen is that if you took a sell somewhere here and then you put your stop up there, and then maybe you put like a overall TP of like 1 to 3. All right, yeah, maybe like let's say 1 to 3, somewhere around this level, right? Which is good. Well, you might want to really take part of your gains maybe around this level here. Okay, maybe around that level when price gets into here, because sometimes price would do this here, maybe fall down, or it could actually go to the upside. But currently it's in the downtrend right now. It's not really long term, but short-term downtrend. Yeah, short-term downtrend, we would say. Currently it's in the short term. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Let's get to 100 likes, and we continue. All right. So that's the story on pound yen. That's the bigger picture on pound yen. Please do a session tomorrow. I want to attain. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. We could do a session tomorrow for Friday. We really could do a session tomorrow. Okay. We really could do a session. We really could. Press the like button, guys. Yes. Everybody press the like button. I really appreciate the time being given to us. Well, I always will do that, Mr. Adrian. Don't worry about that. All right. I'm passionate about one thing, which is bringing and delivering the right education. All right. I'm passionate about educating traders. I'm passionate about ensuring that traders are well equipped with knowledge. And that's the reason why we're doing streams, we're doing sessions in person, we're doing boot camps, and doing every other thing that's educational. That's the biggest reason. All right. So we won't stop. We're not stopping right now. Okay, we keep going, and it's just the beginning. Okay, it's really just the beginning. Okay. It's really just the beginning. Gold is now ranging. Yeah, it looks like it's ranging right now. I don't like how this candle looks like currently, but let's see. Maybe it could push up. Who knows? Maybe, just maybe, right? Maybe means it might or might not. That's what maybe means. It might or might not. We have 2 more minutes to get to 100 likes. If we don't, we end the stream right now. If we don't, we end the stream right now. 2 more minutes, man. 2 minutes. 2 minutes only. If you guys are that serious about it, you like the stream right now. Where's the office exactly? It's Sanxia Tower. Sanxia Tower. CPR was fun yesterday. Yeah, it was fun. I gave you guys a very good trade in a community yesterday. That was a very good trade. Sent out a signal too. So those were very good trades yesterday. Very good trades. Do you think there's still hope for gold? I don't know. It could hit a stop. It could hit my stop here. I came on the stream with half of my trade still running, so it could still hit my stop here. If it does hit my stop, I'm out of that trade, man. I'm really out of that trade. At least I would have made half of what I had running at TP1 here, so that would be okay. But maybe I would have lost part of it back. Yeah, that's the beauty again of actually securing profits, half or partial. Right, because if things go south, well, sometimes at least the comfort is you secured something. Right? Yeah, but let's see. Like I told you guys, there's a level here, right, that I'm actually eyeing to see what happens. Okay, which is kind of like where my stop is too. So let's see. Gold has been bullish. It's been bullish lately. Kind of looks like it's just broken off this support, and this candle is like trying to do that thing, right? What the hell just happened? Oh, okay. supposed to open this chart. Did we get to 100 likes? Did we get that? No, we haven't. Ooh, we haven't. We're gonna end the stream, man. We're gonna end the stream. We're gonna end the stream. Better late than never. Yeah. Guys, we're ending the stream right now. Peace out. You guys failed to get 100 likes. So next time, make sure you get 100 likes and we're going to continue. All right. I'll see you tomorrow for an in-person trading session. All right. If you want to come through, you'll be invited. No. If you have to be there, you'll be invited. That's the right way to say it. I think if you have to be there, you'll be invited. If you don't have to be there, you won't be invited. Same analysis on GJ and I killed it. Nice. Joshua, I always know you kill those ones. Man, you learn from the best. Come on. What do you expect? You learn from the best. You learn from the best. What do you expect? This guy learns from the best. Yeah. So bootcamp is on. Yeah, you can see this stuff running on the screen right now, man. Bootcamp is on. 14th of March. How can I put 10 likes alone? No, you can't. You can't, Charlie. There's more people supposed to do that right now, but they failed. They failed. So next time, maybe they're going to do that. And we're out of here. We're leaving you now. I hope you guys had fun today and it was a beautiful session. Peace out. Bye-bye.